Hello everybody, this is Dakre sir from Innovative Public School. We have started with linear inequation. Why we are calling it as linear? Because that inequations graph we are getting as a line and solution is depend upon that line. Line is not a solution. It could be a line or could be a line that enclosing that line and area related to the line, either downside or either upside, this way, likewise. So linear equation, in linear equation either it is one variable or two variable, we are getting line as a solution. But here in linear inequation, along with line we are getting some area as a solution. If it is less than this line, this area, if it is greater, this area will be the solution. Either it is including the line, equal to symbol is there, including the line or excluding the line. This is the linear inequation. We had seen some results of linear inequation. So suppose there is a modulus sign, modulus of x is greater than a or modulus of x is greater than equal to a. Another way is modulus of x is less than a and modulus of x is less than equal to a, where a is any positive number. Where a is any positive and real number. A is a positive and real number and x is a variable which possesses any real value. So a is a positive number we are considering in this all four cases. Now here greater than symbol is there and here less than symbol is there. Now I am going to tell you to remember a shortcut of this solution. What is the shortcut to remember the solution of this part and this part? There is one shortcut method. So x is greater, write down x is greater, and write down its opposite symbol x is less than a. Okay, x is less than a. While doing its opposite symbol, do your minus sign. Apply minus sign to a. Suppose here x is less, do the x is less than a, and do the opposite sign of less than, that is greater than. X is greater than and do the minus sign, apply minus sign to minus. So x is greater than is equal to a, so take it as it is. So x is greater than equal to a, modulus of x is greater, I am telling you shortcut. X modulus of x is greater than equal to a, so that you can't be confused while remembering it. So x is greater than equal to a, so x is greater than equal to a, do its opposite sign less than and apply minus sign in there. So x is less than equal to minus a. So x is less than equal to minus a. Take it as it is. X is less than equal to minus a. Do the opposite sign of it. X is greater than is equal to minus a. X is less than equal to a. Sorry. X is less than equal to a and x is to apply here greater than sign and x is greater than equal to minus a. So oppose this and change the sign of a. This is the rule. Change sign of a. The same rule is there. Let me take okay. Okay, so this shortcut way you can remember to keep the, so that you will not be get confused while remembering the shortcut or while remembering the solution. These two are the solution of this format. These two are the solution of this format. This solution is the variable in this format is modulus. Modulus means ignoring the sign. Remember, modulus of minus 2 and modulus of 2 is coming as a 2 only. Likewise, if the modulus of x is given, we are getting only its value. It's not, we are not getting its sign. So there could be a change in solution. So we have to consider these two cases. How that get derived? I told you last lecture. I told you how that get derived. So remember this thing. So also there is one more condition is there relating this whole format. To if any number is subtracted from the x, any number is got subtracted from the x. Suppose modulus of x minus a is greater than r. R is any positive real number. Positive real number. I change a to r. So r is any positive real number. Nothing interesting while taking a as a, you can take a as it is here. But remember what I consider the r. Just remember that what I consider as r. So, modulus of x minus a is greater than r. Modulus of x minus a is greater than or equal to r. Modulus of x minus a is less than r. Modulus of x minus a is less than or equal to r. I am taking solution of this below line, not of this upper part. These are the relatives I am writing down side of it. I am going to take the solution of this fourth equation, not of this. Okay? These are not the understanding the same format. So x minus a, just same a to that side. What do you get? A plus r. What do you get it? Wait. We are getting a plus r. So x is greater than a plus r and x is less than a minus r. These are the two values. X is greater than a plus r. Let me check it as it is. Yes, correct. So these are the two solutions of this format. Example in this format. X minus a is greater than or equal to a plus r. Send this a to that side. Or x. So x is greater than or equal to a plus r and x is less than or equal to a minus r. These are the two shortcut way to remember this solution. X minus same is a to that side. X is less than a plus r and x is greater than a minus r. Here x minus a to that side, x is less than or equal to a plus r and x is greater than or equal to a minus r. These are the way. Take greater as it is. Send a to that side, take greater as it is. Next time we will do the less sign, do a minus r. Take a as it is that side, take greater than symbol as it is, a plus r, change sign, take a minus r. Take less than symbol as it is, a plus r will there, change sign, a minus r will be there. Okay? Take symbol as it is, a plus r will be there, and changing sign, we get a minus r. These are the shortcut way to remember this all solutions. These are the major solutions we need to solve some examples. We need to solve some examples. Okay. Now we are going to take one example. We are going to determine its solution. Modulus of x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 5. Modulus of x minus 1 is take less than or equal to here. We take our answer less than or equal to 5. So send this one to that side, x 1 plus 5, x 1 minus 5. Take this symbol first. So while doing 1 plus, take this symbol as it is, and while doing the 1 minus, invert that greater than or equal to whatever the number is. So this will be the solution. So x, this implies that x is less than or equal to 6, and this implies that x is greater than or equal to minus 4. So this will be your solution. So 6 will be here, minus 4 will be here. So including the 4, so dark circle is the minus infinity, including the 6. Sorry. And x is greater than this minus 4, so it should be this way, and x is greater than equal to 6, so this should be this way. So this part will come as a solution. So what is the solution? Minus 4, 6, both are included, so square bracket x belongs to. Yes, this is correct. This is the solution. This is the way to remember the formula. Take 1 plus here. Take 1 first. Don't take 5 first. Otherwise, you get subtracted 5 minus 1. Don't do this. So, this is the shortcut way to remember this formula. So, first take whatever the number here, take it first. Okay? And then first add it, take the sign as it is, subtract, involve the sign. This is the way to remember this formula. Okay? So, solve the example like this. Take example like this from the textbook of addition. If you don't have the addition of online addition is available on Vedantu site. Okay? Vedantu site, take the online addition and solve it. Okay? Another one is we will take one more example. Modulus of x is greater than is equal to 2. So in this way we don't have to do the a minus r a plus r. So directly take the symbol as it is. Invert the sign and take the minus of it. So this is the solution of this inequation. So what is the solution? X is greater than or equal to 2. Draw these two numbers on number line. 2 will be here, minus 2 will be here. X is greater than this 2. So x is greater than 2. This part will be here will be the numbers that are greater than 2, and here will be the numbers that are less than minus 2. This number will come. This line will come as equal to sign is there. So 2 is get included. So dark circle will draw here, and if it is not included, we will draw empty circle. So both the 2 and minus 2 are included. So we will draw dark circle here, and the solution like this. This is the solution of this equation. So how you are going to write down the x belongs to this form. It is in the symbolic form. X belongs to minus 2 to minus infinity. Minus 2 is included as it is dark circle. Equal to symbol is here. Minus 2 included. So round circle, infinity minus infinity, we cannot capture a number, largest number. So we will put the round circle here, and union of this, put the square bracket there, 2, and till the infinity we cannot capture the number. So open bracket will be there. So likewise, if we are able to solve the example like this, and we have to solve the third exercise, 15.3. We have to solve the 15.3. Few students are only replying me and asking the doubts. If you are not studying at home, it is a total wastage of your time and wastage your life also. This is the period we have to learn something. We have to acquire knowledge. We have to learn the skills. So this is the time to acquire the knowledge and also acquire the skills that we need to solve the mathematics. So if you waste this time, this is very dangerous for your future. And listen, there is too much competition nowadays in every field. So if you are lacking behind, it is a very dangerous symbol to you. So don't stop doing the practice. So do the practice and learn the concept of mathematics as the lecture got delivered. Okay. So keep this in your mind. So on the 15.3 example, now we are going to, after next lecture, we are going to see the some graphical solution, how that is solution of the linear inequation. Okay. Students, there is one example where the models are taken in the denominator, and how to solve that example we are going to see here. So, pay attention, this is a very tricky question. So, modulus of x is minus 1, you know how to solve this, take the solution, and modulus of x is minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So, we don't learn how to solve if the modulus is given in the denominator. So, in this case, we have to replace y is equal to modulus of x and have to solve this example. So y minus 1 will be there and y minus 2 will be there, greater than or equal to 0. You know how to solve this example. Draw the graph, take value of x as a 1 and value of x equal this with a 0. Then take x will be, y will be 1 and y will be 2. So these two value we are getting, we have to apply the sign plus, minus and plus there. So as this value is greater than 0, it should be a plus. So these two solutions will be coming here. This will be plus value there. So we are taking these two solutions. We can't take y as a 2. So we are applying the empty circle here at the point of 2. We can take y equal to 1. Can't take y equal to 2. If you put 2 here, the denominator is becoming 0, so there will be 1 upon 0 will be does not exist. So there is no any solution to this 1 upon 0. So we are not taking the 2. So this will be the solution. What will be the solution? It will be the y is greater than 2, as 2 we are not including, and y is less than is equal to 1. So what is the value of y? Y is a modulus of x. Modulus of x is greater than 2. This is the first way, and another, this second way. Modulus of x instead of y, modulus of x is less than or equal to 1. So take modulus x is less than or equal to 1 as it is, x greater than or equal to -1. Change the sign of 1 also. What you are going to do here? X is greater than 2, take as it is, and x is less than -2. Likewise, this will be the first solution, this is the second, third and fourth. The combination of all these two common things get removed and not common things are taken, and the solution got here. So solve it. This is the way to solve the example that are kind of this. We have to replace this modulus of x with the y, and then we know how to solve the example of this type. This variable got changed. So equate this with the 0, we are getting the y as a 1 and y as a 2. Then apply the plus minus plus sign sequentially, and then as this value is greater than 0, so it should be a plus. All the values greater than 0 are plus. So minus value will not come. We are not taking a 2 because it is making a denominator 0. So that likewise we are solving the example like this, where the denominator we are getting a modulus. Okay, like this. Thank you. If you have a doubt, ask me on group.